You've probably heard it countless times. Eat 6 small meals a day to fire up your metabolism and burn more fat. It's a nutrition mantra preached by many. But what if I told you this widely accepted rule is actually one of the biggest myths in the world of healthy eating? Stick around, because today we're going to expose the truth behind meal frequency and your metabolism, giving you practical, science-backed strategies to truly optimize your health. For years, the belief has been that eating more frequently keeps your metabolic engine constantly running, preventing it from slowing down. The idea is that each time you eat, your body expends energy digesting and absorbing nutrients, a process known as the thermic effect of food, or TEEF. The critical insight, however, is that TEF is directly proportional to the total calories consumed throughout the day, not how many times you eat them. Imagine your body as a car, whether you fill its tank once with 15 gallons or 5 times with 3 gallons each. The total fuel burn to get from point A to point B remains the same. Similarly, your body's energy expenditure for digestion will be roughly the same whether you eat 2,000 calories in 2 large meals or 6 small ones. Studies have consistently shown no significant difference in total daily energy expenditure or fat loss between frequent small meals and fewer, larger meals, provided the total calorie intake is the same. So if meal frequency isn't the magic bullet, what should you focus on for a healthy metabolism and sustainable weight management? First, prioritize nutrient density and whole foods. Focus on quality over quantity of meals. Foods rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats naturally keep you feeling full and satisfied, making it easier to manage your overall calorie intake without constant snacking. Second, listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Forget rigid schedules and eat when you're truly hungry, stopping when you're comfortably full. This mindful approach helps you connect with your body's natural signals, preventing overeating and unnecessary calorie consumption. Third, find an eating pattern that fits your lifestyle. Whether it's 3 square meals, 2 larger ones, or even intermittent fasting, consistency is key. The best eating schedule is the one you can stick to long-term without feeling deprived or overly restricted. So the 6 meals a day metabolism myth can finally be put to rest. Your total daily calorie and nutrient intake, along with food quality, are what truly matter for metabolic health. Empower yourself by focusing on what truly nourishes your body and fits your life. If you found this debunking helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Greenplate for more science-backed nutrition tips. What other nutrition myths would you like us to tackle next? Let us know in the comments below. Stay healthy, Greenplate family.